And then we have Hot Pockets. They're pizzeria style. I wish they had the original crust. I don't know if I care for the new crust so much. Super simple to make, of course. 2 minutes in the microwave. Or preheat to 350 degrees. Don't use the sleeve. Bake for 28 minutes compared to 2 minutes. Yeah, nobody's doing this ever, except for me. I'm going to make a Hot Pocket in a conventional oven. I may be the first person ever to give it a shot, but we're going to find out how they are. With Pac-Man's help, right in the oven there. 28 minutes and start. All right. Now we play the waiting game. Pretty soon. Yeah, looks pretty good. Alright, I'll let it sit there for 2 minutes. And conveniently timing, those take 2 minutes. That's how lazy I am right there. Alright, and they're both done. This is what they look like. Can you tell which one came from the oven and which one came from the microwave? Can you tell now? The one that looks like I had an accident. This one's the microwave. This one's the oven. Certainly, I mean, it's still kind of softish. You know, this one's pretty firm. So that's pretty good there. You gonna try it for us?
Yes.
Okay. Now, normally, under no circumstance would I actually use a fork to eat a Hot Pocket. But just to get the texture style and get my fingers away from it, since I'm going to feed it to my daughter here, I'll give that a shot here. Nope. All right. Microwave style. What do you... There, you don't have to eat the whole thing. Pretty good? Yeah, no, what?
It tastes very good.
The one that came from the oven? Oh, that's much... Did you hear that? The crispy shell actually may have been hindered because it just pushed everything out of the edge there. I don't know if I'm gonna like this one. Here, give it a shot. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna like it. Here, you eat it. All right, what's the difference here? Pretty good?
I very love that.
You like that one? Really? The convention oven may win here. All right, I will try microwave. Oh. Yep. Just like the microwave version. I've had them 1,000 times in the past. Conventional oven, you know what? Let me just go this route here. That hot.
Hot.
All right. Microwave again. There's so little difference. Only the shell, the outside of the conventional oven one is way better. I would say if you have the extra 28 minutes on your hands, go ahead and do the conventional oven. But nobody has 28 minutes on their hands to eat a Hot Pocket. So, 2 minutes in the microwave, you're good to go. Any final word?
I love it.
Okay.
Both.
You like both of them. Which one do you like more?
Both.
You like them both the same?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it doesn't matter.